Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu says, on the occasion of the conquest of Makkah, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam proceeded forward, he had Hazrat Usama seated behind him on his mount, Qaswa, whereas Hazrat Bilal and Hazrat Usman bin Talha were also along with him. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached near Allah's house, he asked Hazrat Usman to fetch the keys. So the door was opened and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Usama, Hazrat Bilal and Hazrat Usman entered the Kaaba. Then they closed the door from inside and stayed therein quite a long time. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out, the people rushed to enter, but I outstripped all others. I saw Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu standing behind the door, so asked him, where did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam perform the prayer? He radiyallahu anhu said, between the two pillars ahead, these two front pillars. At that time, the Kaaba had 6 pillars and 2 portions, each comprising 3 pillars. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the prayer between the 2 pillars of the first portion, keeping his back towards the door of the house and facing the wall that comes in front while entering it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the prayer some distance away from that wall. Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu says, I forgot to ask how many units he performed or whether there was or wasn't a red stone where he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the prayer. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4400.